The full overlay hinge allows for a three-way adjustment of the door. Using a Phillips screwdriver, the door can be adjusted horizontally, vertically, and in depth, the gap between the door and the cabinet. For horizontal adjustment, turn the horizontal adjustment screw counterclockwise to shift the door to the right. Turn the screw clockwise to shift the door to the left. For vertical adjustment, loosen the vertical adjustment screws on each hinge and manually position the door. Once the door is properly positioned, retighten the screws. Lastly, to increase the depth or size of the gap between the door and the cabinet, turn the depth adjustment screw counterclockwise. To decrease the depth, turn the screw clockwise.